Welcome back to the fifth session of chapter matrix of class 10 ICSE syllabus. First property of today. Okay, in this session we are going to discuss the properties of matrix additions. First property is that closure property. What is closure property? Here what? Suppose A is a matrix. As I said, always capital letter. B is another matrix. If you add, you will also get another matrix only. Suppose A and B two matrices, you will get a matrix C. It is very clear. So that is a matrix of the same order. Already during the addition process, I explained that when we are adding two matrices, we are getting another matrix only, not any scalar or any number or anything else. We are getting another matrix. That is what called closure property. That is what called closure property. If you want, let us check 2, 4, 6 minus 4 plus 2 minus 1, 0, 5. So if I add these two matrices, I am getting a 2 plus 2, that is 4. 4 plus minus 1, 3. 6 plus 0, 6. Minus 4 plus 5, that is a 1. This is again a matrix of the same order. Order not closure property does not talk about the order, but I am saying that. So here what will happen? Two matrices you will add, again you will matrix only you will get, not anything else. That's what the closure property says. Next is that commutative property. Commutative property. Second property is a commutative. Commutative property. What it says, suppose A is a matrix and B is another matrix. First you determine A plus B, then you determine B plus A. Both the answers will be same. Example, let us check a matrix 2, 7, 9, 0. First I add with 2 minus 2, 0, 4 minus 5. Okay. Added. Then what I will get? This is A plus B. This is A plus B I do. Then what I will do? Then 2 plus 2 minus 2, 0. 7 plus 0, 7. 9 plus 4, 5. And 0 plus minus 5, that is minus 5. This is the answer I got. And now I will do the reverse order. So B plus A. B plus A is minus 2, 0, 4, minus 5. Then plus 2, 7, 9, 0. Operator minus 2 plus 2. Answer is 0. 0 plus 7, 7. 4 plus 9. Sorry, this is here I am mistaken. 4 plus 9. Minus 5 I have seen. 4 plus 9 plus 4, that is 13. Okay. 4 plus 9 again 13. Minus 5 plus minus 0 minus 5 only. So you can see here also you got 0, 7, 13 minus 5. Here also got 0, 7, 13 minus 5. That means A plus B. If you change the order of addition, that does not affect to the result. Okay. Similarly, we will go to the third property, that is called as a associative property. This is for same addition, changing of order, but for three matrices. Associative property. Here what? Suppose three matrices A plus B plus C is equals to, I can say, A plus B plus C. Here I will not take an example. You can try. If you are not reaching to not able to prove, then we can discuss. First, A plus B. Suppose three matrices are there. As per the condition, all the three have a same order, and that means you can do the operation. But first, a student has done first A plus B, C, three matrices are there. First A plus B you will find. Then you will add the result with the C. Whatever answer you will get, First adding B plus C, then you add that result to the A, you will get the same answer. Or also there is a third of A and C you will add, then the result to the B also, the answer will be same. Friends, you practice this one. Take example of 3 matrices of same order. Try to do this and name them ABC and try to practice this. You will get the output. Okay. So next property is that identity property. Identity property. Identity property. What is that? Suppose A is a matrix -1, 0, 6, 4. Suppose I'll add a matrix, but the result will be again same. I'll add another matrix to it, and the result will be same. Let us A plus some matrix. Let me say, name it X. It is equal to again A only. Then X is called the identity matrix. Identity matrix of A. Identity matrix of A. Because what is that? Let us check. Suppose A I took -1, 0, 6, 4 I have taken already. A. That X I'll write as and I have to get the same thing. So 0, 0, 0, 0. If you add, so answer is -1, 0, 6, 4. You can see here when I added this, the answer is again same. What is the matrix added? Null matrix of same order. So a null matrix also you consider identity matrix of addition of the same order to the same matrix. Suppose 2 into 3 matrix. So 2 into 3 null matrix is the identity matrix for addition. Suppose 2 into 2 matrix, then this 2 into 2 null matrix is a identity matrix of addition. Similar way 3 into 3 matrix, a matrix is, then its order, a null matrix of 3 into 3 order is the identity matrix of that matrix. Okay, identity matrix of addition, not subtraction or multiplication. This is all about then also there is another matrix that is property that is called as a inverse property. Inverse property. So what is that inverse property? Let us discuss. Suppose A is a matrix, same example I'll take, -1, 0, 6, 4. What must be added to it so that it will get you will get a null matrix as a result of same order. Suppose A plus X I added, I got a null matrix. Then X is called as the additive inverse matrix of matrix A. Or A and X both are called as a additive inverse of each other. Let us check what way we will get this. Suppose this is inverse property we are continuing. So I'll write -1, 0, 6, 4 as I have taken before earlier. So I'll add it here. What? I have to make this all elements 0. Result is 0, 0, 0, 0. What must be added to 1? So it will become -1, I have to add 1. 0 I have to add 0. 6 I have to add -6. 4 I have to add -4. The result is 1, 0, -6, 4. Understood? Suppose this is A is -1, 0, 6, 4. We are getting the inverse matrix, additive inverse, not multiple inverse. So we are getting a -1, 1, 0, -6, -4. If I'll take common from this all, minus I'll take common, I can write this one like this, -1, 0, 6, 4. So this is also called as -A, it is coming. See, I took common from all these. The result is this one. 1, 0, -6, -4 added, then answer is 0. This matrix, first matrix is also the additive inverse of second, and second is also the additive inverse of the first. So I took the second matrix, then I took minus as common, or I can write this way, minus as multiplication, this same. So I got a -A. So I can say that, and -A is the negative matrix. So I can say that every matrix, suppose every matrix additive inverse is its negative matrix. Every matrix additive inverse is its negative. Suppose any order it may be. Negative matrix means again it will come the same order, so that is additive matrix. There is another. This is all about the properties. There is another property which is called as a distributive property of matrices. We will discuss after learning the multiplication. Students, so far whatever I taught in this 5 sessions I think, or 4 sessions, this is sufficient to do your ICC exercise where multiplication is not involved. I will request everybody to try the sums where multiplication is not involved. You can do the sums. Thank you. We will meet in the next session.